How to get Costco digital membership card. So Costco digital membership card provides a convenient and accessible way to access your Costco membership. You can use it to enter Costco warehouses, make purchases, and take advantage of exclusive member benefits. The digital format allows for easy retrieval on your smartphone, reducing the need for a physical card. So in order to get that membership card, what you want to do is, first of all, you need to make sure that the application Costco is already installed in a device. If not, you can easily get it from the Play Store or an App Store. Once the application is installed on a device, open the application. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your account. Once you are logged in, it will land you on this interface. Now what you want to do is tap on card at the bottom. Here it says add membership number. In order to add membership number, first of all you must have your digital membership card. Scroll down and you will find the option of buy membership. What you want to do is simply click on it. Follow the process given and then buy the membership, and you'll be good to go. Once you have got your membership card, you can enter the membership number and then get the benefit from it. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get Costco digital membership card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.